Hello everyone, welcome back to GovZ Travels. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today's journey begins in Houston, Texas as we hit the road on Interstate 10, heading east towards one of the most vibrant and historic cities in the United States, New Orleans, Louisiana. This road trip is filled with scenic highways, cultural landmarks, and unforgettable views. So come along with us for this exciting drive. This trip is going to be more exciting because it's Christmas today and we are going to enjoy the Christmas vibes in New Orleans, Louisiana. We started from Houston today at around 7 am as we have a 350-mile journey to make, taking 6 to 7 hours. We may take an extra hour for breaks in between as we want to enjoy the journey today. It's a foggy morning and the visibility is limited in some areas, as you can see. The road journeys gives us a great flexibility and we can stop wherever we want and enjoy those small moments on your way when compared to flying. Moreover, road journeys are cheaper and convenient when your destination is within 600 to 700 miles or a 10 to 12 hour drive, which you can finish within a day. Guys, please subscribe to GovZ Travels if you haven't subscribed yet. Like, share and comment on the video. Please comment on how did you celebrate Christmas or how did you guys spend the Christmas leave. As we leave Houston and drive through Interstate 10 towards Louisiana, we can see plenty of oil refineries both in Texas and Louisiana area, as this area is part of the energy corridor where a lot of oil exploration and refineries operate. Today, we are planning to visit the French Quarter of New Orleans in the evening to experience the Christmas vibes and celebrations. So join us together to explore the festivities. We stopped for a quick fill at a gas station. I always wondered why the gas prices vary so much at every gas station here in the US. Please comment in the comment section if you guys have any idea and if you have ever thought about it, especially viewers who are watching this video from the US and drive long distance. The varying gas price makes a big difference when you fill a full tank, as you may have to shell out $6 to $7 extra sometimes depending on the price. Strangely, we have seen the gas price varying from $2.20 to $4 or even higher for 87 octane during our journey in last 12 months in different parts of US and sometimes within the same state. We have seen it going above $5 as well when we were traveling in Aspen, Colorado once. Guys, now we have reached Louisiana Welcome Center, a perfect place to stretch, take a break, and officially entered the Pelican State. These welcome centers give travelers a glimpse into Louisiana's culture, history, and what makes this state so special. Just beside the Louisiana Welcome Center, we found a lake and we went on the boardwalk. It is cold here and the early morning views are beautiful. Sometimes these state welcome centers and rest areas look perfect for a great picnic spot, and we wonder why don't they build more of these everywhere so that it makes your journey more relaxing and enjoyable every time. We brought a breakfast from home. After having our breakfast at Louisiana Welcome Center, we proceed towards Lafayette, the next city in Interstate 10. Today, we are expecting to reach our hotel in New Orleans at around 3 p.m. Surprisingly, we get to see a lot of casinos in this area as we start driving across Louisiana. I guess Louisiana has a lot of casinos to boost the local economy, and it attracts people from the border towns of Texas, as casinos are banned in Texas except some rare exceptions. Driving through Interstate 10, crossing into Louisiana, the landscape transforms beautifully. Our drive takes us past Lafayette, a city known for its deep Cajun roots, music, and food culture. One of the most fascinating parts of this drive is traveling on elevated roads above Louisiana's famous farms and wetlands. Surrounded by water, moss-covered trees, and untouched nature, This stretch feels completely different from any other highway drive. It's calm, scenic, and uniquely Louisiana. As our journey continues through Baton Rouge, the capital city of Louisiana, we cross the Baton Rouge Bridge. We get our first close view of the powerful Mississippi River, one of the most important rivers in American history. The crossing of this huge and tall steel bridge is a major highlight of the drive, where you can get a panoramic view of the Baton Rouge city and Mississippi River itself. The ships can pass below this tall bridge. The Mississippi River stretches endlessly below, carrying stories of trade, culture, and history. This river has played a crucial role in shaping Louisiana and the entire southern United States history. Mississippi River is the second longest river in the US, 2,350 miles or 3,800 kilometers long, spanning through 10 states and draining into the Gulf of Mexico. Now we are entering the New Orleans city, and finally we arrive in New Orleans, Louisiana, a city known for its music, food, festivals, and rich history. New Orleans is a beautiful blend of French, Spanish, African, and American cultures, making it one of the most unique cities in the country. From the lively streets of the French Quarter and iconic Bourbon Street to soulful jazz clubs, historic architecture, and delicious flavors like gumbo and beignets, this city has a rhythm unlike anywhere else in the USA. Whether you are exploring its colorful festivals, scenic Mississippi River views, or charming neighborhoods, New Orleans promises an unforgettable experience full of energy, tradition, and soul. As we drive ahead, you can see a freight or goods train is running along, as the rail tracks run close to the Interstate 10 for a long distance, crisscrossing each other's path at places. Surprisingly, passenger trains are not very common in this part of the US, even though it is densely populated, as people depend more on the flights and road trips for their commute. On the other hand, rail journeys are not so cheap in the US. That could be one reason why people opt for flights and road drives. We are looking forward to go on an Amtrak rail journey one day, as there are a couple of trains running through Houston heading towards Los Angeles, California and New Orleans. Let's see when we can do that Amtrak rail trip. Fingers crossed. This is our hotel and the room looks nice and cozy, and we are going to stay here for next 3 nights. Guys, stay along as we are going to explore the Christmas vibes at French Quarter of New Orleans today evening. Now we are at the French Quarter, the heart and soul of New Orleans. Famous for its historic architecture, iron balconies, and lively streets, this neighborhood is full of charm and character. Every corner here tells a story and truly reflects the French history which started in early 1800s. Christmas in New Orleans is unlike anywhere else in the world, where history, music, and holiday magic comes together in the heart of the French Quarter. During this Christmas holiday season, the French Quarter transforms into a festive wonderland, as you can see. Historic balconies are wrapped in twinkling lights, garlands, and classic Southern Christmas decor. At the center of it all stands the iconic St. Louis Cathedral, glowing beautifully against the night sky. The sound of carols, street music, and church bells fills the air, creating a warm and joyful atmosphere. Christmas in the French Quarter isn't just about decorations. It's about culture, music, tradition, and the unmistakable soul of New Orleans. French Quarter of New Orleans is famous for its colorful vintage buildings and vibrant nightlife, as you can see hundreds of cafes and clubs and restaurants here as you drive across the streets. As the night falls, you can see Christmas celebrations going on in full swing everywhere. New Orleans is one city where people can drink on the streets, and you can see a good number of tourists enjoying on the streets tonight. Tonight, music and party will go on for a long time here. Next, we explore the Bourbon Street, the most famous street in New Orleans. Known for its jazz clubs, energetic nightlife, live music, and vibrant atmosphere, Bourbon Street truly comes alive day and night. The sounds, lights, and energy here are unlike anywhere else. Canal Street is one of the main streets in New Orleans. This area connects the historic French Quarter with the modern side of the city. With its classic streetcars, shops, and busy intersections, Canal Street perfectly showcases the blend of old and new New Orleans. You can see the famous streetcars or the trams running along the Canal Street as we drive. Canal Street is famous for the festival parades and the Mardi Gras celebrations and shopping, as we can see plenty of big brands and shopping centers here. As we drive across the Canal Street, we can see the glimpses of New Orleans downtown at a distance. We have planned to visit the downtown tomorrow as it is already getting dark tonight. Guys, join us tomorrow as well, as we are planning to explore this beautiful city of New Orleans tomorrow. This journey from Houston to New Orleans has been an unforgettable experience. From scenic highways and swamps to historic streets and vibrant city life. If you enjoyed this road trip and city tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for traveling with us, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Please tell us in the comment section if you would like us to travel to any specific place or location within the US. We will make sure to explore the place and share it with you guys. Until we meet next time, keep exploring. Baton signing off from GovZ Travels. See you in the next video.